Good morning and welcome to Writing 111 in spring 2022. My name is Carrie Aldrich. I'm your professor this semester. I just got in late last night after 3 canceled flights and over the course of 8 days. So this is not my typical Monday morning. I'm usually more organized. But I wanted to take some time to introduce you to our Google Classroom and to let you know what's on the agenda for this week. So I'm here in our Google Classroom right now. You can see my Getting Started welcome message, as well as a link to a Google Docs tutorial. For many of you, especially if you were in Anchorage School District, using Google Docs and Google Classroom is second nature. But if that's something that's new to you, it can be a little bit of a learning curve, but in the end, I think that you'll really appreciate the interactive features that Google allows us to have in a writing classroom. So just let me know if you have any questions and I'm happy to walk you through the process. Here in the course documents section, you can find all the important course documents. I've included our course syllabus, which is the most important document for this semester, and you'll take a quiz over the syllabus before Wednesday. I've also included important information about our writing center, what to do if you experience connection issues, netiquette, explanation of how to be polite online. I've also included student learning outcomes, a link to the APA style template. APA is the style manual we'll use to cite sources this semester, and you'll learn a lot about it. I've also included our class directory, which you should add yourself to right away. When you open this document, you'll see that I've included my contact information. You should also include your name and contact information because we'll have some group projects this semester that you'll need to find information about how to contact your classmates. I've also included our course breakdown and calendar. I'll keep a running list of frequently asked questions, so if I get a question asked a few times, I'll put it up here so everyone can see my response to it. And we're getting started on our first module this week. So for each module, I'll tell you what my objectives are for you. So this week, we're going to establish relationships with each other. We're going to monitor and reflect on ourselves as literate people and acknowledge course and university expectations and policies. So each week, I will post a folder that includes media for the week. Sometimes it'll be videos, sometimes book chapters, sometimes it might be other kinds of multimedia tools for our class, but you'll find that in a folder for media for each week. So you can see I have 3 chapters from our online textbook this week for you to read. You should also complete the syllabus quiz, which is in a Google form. You'll just click here and it will take you to the quiz. You need to be signed in your UAA email address, and you should use your UAA email address for all class communication in the Google Classroom and also communicating with me. So when you finish the quiz, you'll record your answers just by pressing submit. I've also included a short video for you about my feelings about academic writing, and I have 2 short assignments for you. One is an introduction because we want to get to know one another. So here in this Google document, if you scroll down to page 2, you'll see my introduction to you. So go ahead and read my introduction, and then the next person will write their introduction here. So add your name here, and you should each write a 1-page introduction. There might be several of you working in the same document at the same time. That's okay. You might notice the pages going up and down. Maybe just add some breaks and give yourself a little bit of space so you have room to work. And then finally, you're also going to submit a communication inventory this week. It's similar to the introduction assignment in that we're working in the Google document. So your instructions are here on page 1, and then you can see that I have completed the assignment on page 2. And then you will complete the assignment below, and you should also be reading and reflecting on one another's work. So we have synchronous class tomorrow, but we only meet once a week. And so you also have asynchronous work you'll be doing for this class. That's work that you do when we're not together. And because we only meet once a week, you have a little bit more of that than you would in other classes. So each Monday I'll give you a short video and let you know what's up for the week. We meet together on Tuesday, that's tomorrow. And typically I would offer class both in person and online, but because of the situation surrounding the start of the semester, we're all going to meet online tomorrow. You can join our Google Classroom in a couple of different ways. In the classroom, you just click this Meet button and it'll take you to a virtual meeting where we will all be during class tomorrow. I'll send a separate note so you all see it in the Google Classroom too. So I'll look forward to seeing you all online tomorrow, and as always, make sure you let me know if you have any questions, because if you have a question, it's likely someone else has the same one. Take care and talk to you soon.